Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the essentials. This saves wasted effort. First, check your MTN account and service status so you know the network is active. Once done, power cycle the modem, unplug for 30 seconds, then plug back in and wait 2 to 3 minutes for the boot sequence. Make sure the SIM or USB dongle is properly seated and note the status LEDs. These show link, signal, and error states, so you can tell if the issue is hardware or network. Now you dig into configuration and signal. Log into the modem interface at 192, 168, 0, 1 or 192, 168, 1. 1 to confirm the APN, username, and password. These must match MTN settings. Next, check signal bars and try switching bands between auto, 4G, and 3G. Reposition the antenna or move the device near a window to improve reception. Run a speed and ping test to measure latency and throughput. Then compare results to your MT. Finish by updating and, if needed, restoring defaults. If a firmware update is available, back up your configuration first and then apply the update. This fixes known bugs. If problems remain, perform a factory reset only after saving settings, then re-enter the APN and authentication details exactly. If you still have issues, collect logs, signal stats, and speed test results and contact MTN support. This evidence speeds troubleshooting and helps technicians pinpoint whether the fault is local or on the network.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.